just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Hi guys. So today is Thursday. Already, guys, good Thursday, huh? It's Boxing Day. It's Boxing Day. It's swim day. Going to swim today. The weather has opened up, as you can see. Today is a bit more sunny, so at least you can go swim, guys. Good Thursday. Can I go regisa ka pele re tsamaya? Nako ya tsamaya. Okay, let's bounce. Okay guys, so we're back. We are braying now for lunch and dinner. I feel like this, I need to take off this bra. It's ruining my dress. But yeah, and I want to take pictures with this dress. So yeah, my hair's still wet. I have to keep it in a bun. It's wet. But I think I'm gonna take off this bra. It's on my dress. Or even if I keep it on, I just put these things down. Cause wow.
I can play the house.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it wrong, then it becomes so true. There ain't How was it? How was it?
It's the crocodile. Not today. Other days, yes. Okay, I'm ready. Good DVD, yeah.
DVD. Essa eu legal mudi.
Hey, hey.
Nice and slow.
Nice and slow. That's like an...
Hey, didn't go put a kitchen and it's a cook at the blade. And say, Ivana la pila.
Join us as we go pedaling.
Maybe the mona la di last, guys.
Never did. Honestly,
Mafia ya servicing ma. Sale ya servicing ni.
Aji. Awani yele mlo na ifi ya fili.
Oh.
nice and slow. Take it home again.
Left.
Young,
What's in it?
I would get home again.
Yeah, alright. Maybe how will do?
You have a stool or more fat.
But now I'm fast. Now I'm fast.
Yo. This is daunting. You never pick up in a beard.
Iko sakela ko pili ko nkime.
Kizele na kana kwa.
I'm sitting down.
Ya o kana tsena mister.
Ke kono shele phone le dikene.
Di key phone o kana tsama for di selfie.
Yeah. Get that tap up before you sing that side.
Jo bana.
Look, guys. Okay. So we're going there.
Wa ka You ke bona motraya.
Going there.
Ish, guys, power steering.
That makes me do.
They've used it nice.
Our wine car that's that is nice. I've always wanted to do this today with the baby. And what she wear? Yeah, trees, plants. Guys, I asked y'all, are we supposed... One thing about this place, it will rain unprovoked. Like we were chilling, having breakfast, it was lovely. And then it rains, and then it stops. Just like that, the weather stops. Good morning, NSC Squad. Yo, Luna. Haven't been updating you guys. So today is Saturday, it's the 28th. The days are running by so fast. It's the 28th and we're going horse riding. Well, they're doing horse riding. So yeah, come along with us. I will take you with us so that you can see the horses. So let's go. Yesterday we did paddle boats. That was so much fun. And yeah, we just came back. So today we're going to the horses, and then after that we are going swimming. Come with us. I'm taking videos. I got the whole family. I think, oh, yeah, before I can in. Hopefully we don't get stuck in mud, eh? Sela bona manga wetse mara. Yeah, sounds like it's a more information, but we can park that side. Okay, so guys, it was raining like getting an hour ago. Yeah, it stopped raining around 10. So the horses are wet. Yeah, the horses are wet. So we have to wait. So they said we should come back at 2 p.m. So we'll see. Head to. Or how are the horses doing? But for now, the horses are wet. I'm laughing. It is so hot. Oh my gosh. Nothing. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so guys, we are back and I am trying to dry my hair. So we went to the horses. When we got to the horses, it had been raining. As you saw in my previous clip that it was raining. So when we got to the horses, they told us that the horses are still wet. We should come back around 2 and check if they're fine. I went back to the information office and they said we should actually go at 3. Around 1:30 or 1 even, it starts raining all over again. So basically that meant that we are never gonna get on the horses. So we just asked for a refund because it won't work. Tomorrow we're checking out. It won't work out. Sad, but it is what it is. So we're done swimming. Now we're just buying some meat and we're gonna eat. Guys, swimming with braids is the pits when it comes to trying them.
Tell me why you're crying, I'm kidding, big girl. When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, the dark. Now you come into my yard, uninvited. When you see me on the edge, you know. Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I won't wait for you.
Hi NSC Squad. I'm happy, but I'm not happy, but I'm sad, but it's fine. It is the last day. Today we're checking out. It's one of those days that I don't like, but it has to come to an end. Hey, winner. So yeah, we just had breakfast. So now we're just finishing to pack up. Checkout is at 10. And then we're going. The one I borrowed her was so.
I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. For you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby. Can you put the time on a rewind? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you call on me when you come, I come. And then you go again. Your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying till morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise of your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm kidding. Crying out from the side, now come on in. Fall down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
Squad, welcome to the end of the video. This is my favorite part of the video because this is where I give you guys a review of the place, how I felt about it, and yeah, basically everything, all the logistics you need to know about the place, because a lot of people were asking me, how do you book such a place? How do you guys go on such vacations? What do you do? So this is the part where I teach you guys what we do. So Klein Kariba is a resort that is based in Bela-Bela, Limpopo, as you saw in my thumbnail. It is a family resort first and foremost. The thing you need to know about what we do when we go on these family trips is we plan our trips very early, like very early on the year. We start planning our trip and where we want to go. So we first choose where we want to go, and then we will contact. Okay, so personally, I'm a person who likes to find out information from the resort or from wherever we're going. I don't like booking via online, and I don't like booking via booking.com. I don't mind doing it, but I feel like when I do it directly with the people, I get the proper information that I need to know about the place, and I'm able to book properly. So that's basically what I did. How did we hear about Klein Kariba was another question that I got. I don't even remember how we heard about Klein Kariba. Like, I don't know. I know my mom came up with it, and then we just did our research. So you just go online and search Klein Kariba, and you're gonna get all the information that you need to know. We were in a mountain cabin, which was a 6-sleeper. One of the things that I didn't like about the 6-sleeper was the fact that we only had one bathroom. Not even a bathroom, one shower room, a shower and a toilet, and we are 6 people. Like, I felt like that was something they could have just added, like a toilet at least, because now you have to wait for the next person and wait for the, like, it's just the whole thing, you know. But the receptionist did say that next time, just inquire if you want more bathrooms, what can you do? Which option should you choose? So if you guys want more bathrooms, just inquire at first. So yes, you go online, you search Klein Kariba, and you're gonna get everything you need to know, all the chalets, all the options. And one thing I liked about the mountain cabin, it was spacious compared to the other ones that were like lower there. In my clip, you'll see when we're leaving, I shot them. They were much more smaller than the mountain cabins. And then another thing that I wanted you guys to know is that Klein Kariba is a white dominated place. So when you go there, you must just, what am I feeling? Oh, it's my skirt. When you go there, you must just be ready to be surrounded by a lot of Afrikaans, a lot of, yeah, it's just a very white dominated place. And also, they don't allow music much. So if you are those people, you want to chill at your chalet with loud music, at the end of the day, they're gonna come knocking for you guys and tell you guys that you make noise. Even if you're not playing it too loud, they'll just say no noise, period. So just be prepared about that, because that was something that was kind of annoying, because you know, when you're on vacation, you want to listen to music, you want to dance, but it was very restrictive in regards to the music. But otherwise, the park is amazing. It's beautiful. It has lovely pools. Almost all the pools are hot. They are warm. They are, what do they call it? Heated pools. Yeah, all 3 pools are heated pools. And then there's a slide, there's a play area for the kids, there's a cold pool as well, one cold pool. And then there's also paddling. We did paddling, and it was one thing that I love about the activities, they're very affordable. Like one of the activities, the paddling, those paddle boats, it's 40 Rand per person. Horse riding, for 15 minutes, it was 55 Rand per person. So they're very, very affordable in regards to their activities. So yeah, guys, that's all it takes, you know. That's everything about Klein Kariba. If there's anything else that I left out, please feel free to comment it down below and I will answer it freely. Or you can DM me on my Instagram at Sarah_Nyiko. I'm available to answer any question. But yeah, we had fun. It was really fun. And we were there for 5 nights. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Yeah, 5 nights, and then we left on the 29th. So it was really, really a nice holiday. We didn't even feel the days. Paparadi felil. Like, it's all gone. And it was like, how did we get here? But it was really lovely. It was really, really lovely. yeah, that's Klein Kariba, guys. Please do subscribe to see more. I hope that you enjoyed this vlogs. You enjoy the vlogs. Share. Tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend to come and join the NSC Squad and be part of this amazing family. From me to you, it is love and light, and I will see you on the next vlog. Cheers.